So this is a review of the Gibson dinnerware sets, 40 pieces that I would highly recommend. These are porcelain quality, and I just love how these plates look. The quality is very nice when you feel them, and overall, I just love how they are. You can see this is the large set of them, then this is the medium sets, then it comes to the cups, and it goes to the small cups right here. So it comes with a total of 40 pieces. And this right here, you can see the medium sized one. It looks just like this one. And I just love how this is. The quality that they did is really nice too inside the plates. I just love how these plates look. And overall, I just love these plates because they not just only look nice, but they do the job like what it's intended for. And these, plates right here, you can see this is for the medium-sized cup and the small cups right here. And this is the medium size that matches to this one. Overall, I would highly recommend the Gibson porcelain dinner setware because of how it comes with 40 pieces. It's enough for a whole family cookout. And the plates overall, I just love how that they did inside the plates. It just looks really nice overall, and the porcelain quality is a huge plus right there. So I would highly recommend these plates if you are wanting a new replacement set for your kitchen. Then these are probably one of the best dinner setware plates you could buy.